What up, Chucky? All right, what's up, dudes? Yeah, we got this tent. It's called the EXOD Air Station Pod-01, and it's like 30 pounds. We're gonna open it up, see what it's about, and yeah, definitely not something to take with you. The box got messed up on shipping, but it came from Europe and stuff. So I mean, if you want to look at the details. Yeah, there's that. Okay, let's go unbox this thing. So I'm gonna open it up, show you guys what's on it, and yeah, I don't normally buy expensive like camping gear or whatever, but yeah, you can search it up and look up the price yourself. I ordered this a long time ago before we even knew that like we had a baby on the way, so you know I totally forgot about it until it was like, oh, it's shipping. So okay, piece of cardboard. All right, so it does come with its own air pump, right? So we'll try using this first. And it has a nice little gauge there. It's a pretty big air pump. I mean, look at it. Like compared to me, it's about a third of my size. Yeah. It comes with a large T-shirt. I guess because it was delayed, you know, twice. I was supposed to have it last year. I was supposed to take it with me to my last hike in Arizona for the pins. I hike for health pins. So it says Global EXOD, and then the back says, that's perfect for Jessica, grind the chaos. And we'll put it on. It's a large, so you know. Let's see how it fits on me. A bit loose. And now we get to the big, the important part. Okay. God damn. All right. With this bag, I'm gonna take the spec sheet off, and we'll go through the bag in a bit. Little tag. So that tells you some stuff on there, the specs, the weight. So the weight of the bag is about 20.94 pounds. So definitely not something to take backpacking for sure. Okay, instruction manual before use. I gotta open the QR code. Okay, so the bag, as you can see, you got some straps on the side, probably where you're gonna be putting your air pump if you are gonna bring that, like with a big one. I have a manual one. You got some pockets here. Let's see what they do. If they got anything in. Oops, sorry. Phone's a little heavy. All right. We have these, small pocket here. I don't know what's in this. Okay, that's to open it. So it is meant to be, you know, carried too. So you have a little pocket to put your name or identifier. There's a bag. Yeah, it's gonna take your whole bag for that. So now we gotta look at the instructions because yeah, I don't need this. I have. Okay. 5-minute setup time. Okay. We have a wall organizer. The X roof, extra strength for your roof. I don't know what that means, but sure. Okay, good. So it comes with a ground sheet. All right. So like you put this on the ground first, and I like that. Okay. I think that's very handy. Wall panel. Stay dry no matter what. So they have this bag of guy lines and pegs too, so that's good, of course. Empty bag and the airframe. Let's get this ground sheet going. Oh, I think I did this wrong. This is gonna go after we do the airframe. So airframe's first. They had something in the bag. Okay, they have hole patches. Sorry. There you go. which I'm not even sure how the airframe's gonna go. There are valves that I have to close, and where those valves are, I cannot tell you. I don't know. All right, so they have these little like screws and stuff. So there's one here. Close this. That's one valve. 3 on this side. So I guess you gotta follow these like flat tubes here. So there's 1, 2, one for this tube, one for this tube, one for this tube, and there. Okay, making sure they got all of them closed off. All right, so it looks like in the corner, there's something we have to pump. Okay, so we're gonna take this out the fresh packaging here. Now I will say this pump is pretty sturdy. So I'm guessing this goes here, and then this is going somewhere in the corner. Now he's gonna find that corner, you know. There's a Velcro thing here, but every corner seems to have another cap. So I'll make sure I go to every corner. Let's figure this shit out. Oh, gotcha. All right, we're gonna see how it goes here, and then we're gonna, cause I have like an air pump already. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see how that goes, and I'm following the directions, right? Okay, so this one also pumps when you go up too. That's nice. I don't even know if I laid it out correctly, so we'll see. 4 minutes. Somebody put this. Okay, so these are the walls. Okay, that makes sense. Those are walls. I'm pumping real good. Oh. Zach's looking at me like I'm crazy. What is this?
Oh.
It's a tent. So if you look up EXOD, they already have this tent called the Monolith. And people are taking that like to like snow and all this shit. But it's lighter than you could. I think this is supposed to be on that side. Okay, this is the opposite side. It just said flatten it out. Oh no, it came undone. Oh no, we're going down.
Yep.
My iPad. Oh, it's bigger than I thought it was.
This is good, workout for the PT test in the morning, ain't it?
Wait, not supposed to work up this. Well, at least it pumps the whole thing. I think it's hot, man. There we go. All right, here we got. Where are we at? What do you guys even see? Oh my God. Oh, hopefully my won't fall. So we're just waiting for this last one to go, right? That bottom piece. Oh, dude, that's f***ing sturdy. What the hell? I see. There's some fancy air shit going on. It's not bad. Everything's under control. Oh, everything's under control. Oh, why did I choose to do this today? What's up, guys? 4 minutes, my ass. Hey, we're learning together. What is this? Bruh. No wonder why it's not floating. They have, so in these covers, there's like locks where like you know those medicine locks or whatever, like for your IV, to keep fluid from going. That's how that keeps air. Okay. Look at that. I was just stupid. Yeah, I was just dumb as f. So now I'm gonna lock all these, cut the air off, and then Okay, I like that. Okay, so that should have taken a lot faster time. It's just I'm stupid. I didn't look at this. All right. Okay, so this video we're learning now. This video only shows us the frame. So you actually got to build that, like put everything on first too. Okay, well that's great. So I have the floor. The floor isn't that thick as you think it might be. Like I thought it would be more like tarpaulin and thick. So it's not. But let's go put the floor on. So zipper there. Take my crop off. So yeah, probably. So after I set this up, it'll be really easy in the future. Oh, I like that. I guess I had to put it on backwards. How the does this go on? They're expecting me to feed it through. Oh, I see. There's multiple. I'm just stupid. No. Alright, the zippers are really smooth, guys. No, even then it doesn't make sense. So there is no zipper for here. I don't get it, guys. I don't know how to set up my tent, guys. I'm stupid as fuck. Extra. I don't need no fucking. Oh, that's sturdy as fuck. You can put some on here.
Oh, it's because when you set up the pod for the first time, you have to connect the 4 main parts, and you only need to do it once. And once they are connected, you can pack everything as is into the carry bag. The next time you use it, you can just unpack it, bump it up, and then it will set itself up.
Okay, we're learning together. Okay, yeah, that looks a lot better like that's supposed to be. Yeah. I should just take my time. So you're saying once I set this up initially, I don't have to do it again? I'm gonna have to deflate a little bit. Alright, what's next?
Zipping up the walls and the floor.
So the walls first?
Floor first, then wall.
Yeah, but this should have mattered. Yeah, how do I zip up the floor?
You zip it to the airframe.
I know that. That's what I was trying to figure out earlier.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah. I'm just stupid. Oh, I like that actually. Wow. They brought this up at Arca.
Alright.
Should we skip coming? Do we stop coming now? Okay, what's next?
The wall.
Yeah, so you gotta bring both of these zippers onto one side. And then do it. I'm stupid. Yeah, you can definitely open this side, or if you wanted, you have the hooks up here to open up either side. So whatever you want to do. If you wanted a window, then you got a window without, letting air in and all that stuff. You can have your furnace on either side. All the stuff in the frame is inside, so like if you need to air it up, well, it's all here. And then all throughout here, you have these hooks so you can hang up your stuff and your equipment. So you get a wall organizer for all your gear. And for me, if I was gonna be here, I'd probably have all my gear, probably my cot and stuff right here. So I'm gonna leave it inside. Yeah, a bunch of pockets, deep pockets here, Molly. Oh, so yeah, I like that actually. So then I'll put because our cots, we have 2 cots with the little air cushion. I haven't tried them yet, but they'll be right here. So that way you can see right out there. I want to go camping already. Oh, jeez. I'd probably suggest getting a tarp because the floor is kind of thin, but I don't think this material is bad. But maybe a small tarp for the floor. But no, this is great actually. Like I said, even all through the beams, you can hang your stuff up, down the middle, and I'm glad that they gave you this pocket here, this organizer. That's nice. I wish I had a second one to put it on that side, So yeah, how do you guys like that? I mean, I think it's really sweet actually. But yeah, you have those 2 windows, or you can just have a whole screen on each side. So this is what's going to look like if you're outside and you have a light on, you know what I mean? So definitely not thick as hell. Yeah, well, like I said, this is for crazy conditions. So you can prop that up to get more air or whatever. But yeah, you have all the guideline points here. The main ones here and there in the bottom. You have the straps here. Alright guys. Alright, let's do a teardown. Or like packing up. So yeah, these things here, if I take this off, it literally looks like when you have an IV. See what I mean? You see that thing right here? Like it clamps off the air going to each compartment. So,
Oh. What the heck?
so you don't have to do that, but it helps if like, you know, if one area gets popped, then you're good. Yeah, you want to make sure these are open. So each side has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm gonna do these two here. Okay, I've done that. I'm guessing they're gonna want us to take these out. Okay. I think that's good then. Yeah, I'm deflating it. I set everything up now, but my gimbal got hot as shit, so I have to figure it out right now. God damn, it's hot. I'll tell you that right now. Give me.